Hey people, so this is us at Subway, not at Subway, at Lulu Mall, and for 149 I think we got this, and yeah, that's what it was. Okay, yeah, something like that, 159 maybe. And yeah, so Ayush, how's your Subway? Yours is garlic bread, mine is honey oats. So we have exactly a few minutes before this movie starts, Maidan, and it's just very nice, and it feels good to just spend time with my child. And yeah, I'll also take a bite of this maybe, and once I'm done with the recording, so this is how the mall looks. Lulu Mall is quite Ayush, what's your opinion of Lulu Mall?
Okay, it's too crowded for a small mall.
Yeah, that is true. It is a crowded place to take a look. But yeah, on the whole, I'm glad that we are here. On that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.